Heavy rains soaked New Orleans. Pumps working but unable to keep up with heavy downpour at times. New Orleans. The deluge of rain that flooded streets around New Orleans was predicted to ease a day after the downpours disrupted businesses, closed schools, and swamped areas still recovering from Hurricane Katrina. Only a few showers were in the forecast. The heavy rains have passed by, the National Weather Service said. After more than 8 inches of rain drenched the city, the mayor shut City Hall early and schools across the city closed. Waist-high water in parts of eastern New Orleans soaked businesses, some of which had recently reopened after being damaged by Katrina in 2005. Water rose quickly in some older neighborhoods, a reminder of the city's vulnerability to storms and reliance on a complicated system of pumps and drainage canals. The city's drainage pumps all worked. They just couldn't keep up with the intense rainfall, emergency preparedness officials said. The pumps can handle up to 1 inch of rain in the first hour and a ½ inch an hour after that. But some areas got much more than 2 inches of rain in an hour, said Robert Jackson, a spokesman for the New Orleans Sewerage and Water Board. Rough rainfall estimates from 3 p.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Tuesday ranged from 5 inches in Kenner and New Orleans East to nearly 9 inches in central Jefferson Parish. Some of the rivers are running high. A few rivers in the 22-mile-wide lake that forms New Orleans' northern border were brimming and might flood some low-lying areas. In 2 counties across the state line in Mississippi, more showers were predicted. The Army Corps of Engineers has worked to strengthen the canal in an area of homes and businesses about 5 miles from downtown New Orleans, but engineers worry that water being driven into it might lead to more flooding. The gates were closed to minimize seepage and overtopping. Moisture from the Gulf of Mexico ahead of a very strong cold front sparked the swift and strong rainfall that blanketed the area. Despite the flooding potential, the rain also offered relief to parts of Louisiana that have been abnormally dry. Until Monday's drenching, rainfall for New Orleans was about 11 inches below normal for the year. The scattered showers and thunderstorms also came as a blessing to other drought-stricken areas of the southeast. Still, though, climatologists say it would take more than a few scattered showers to pull the region out of a very severe record drought. Almost 1/3 of the southeast is covered by an exceptional, very severe drought, the worst drought category.